Beyond the habitable warmth of the inner solar system, underneath miles of impenetrable frozen ice, lies the greatest promise for extraterrestrial life in our cosmic backyard. Today, we will plunge into the dark, tidally heated waters of the outer solar system, exploring the hidden subterranean oceans that challenge everything we know about habitability. Welcome, everyone, to another journey into the dark. For the longest time, we thought life could only exist in a very specific, narrow band around a star. Let's talk about this traditional habitable zone, which is that perfect, temperate distance from the sun where it's not too hot and not too cold, allowing liquid water to pool peacefully on a planet's surface. But the universe is full of surprises, and our own solar system is no exception. As we venture past the asteroid belt and into the freezing expanse of the giant planets, we find worlds that completely rewrite the rules of where life might be able to survive. Out here, the sun's warmth is just a faint, distant whisper. Yet, there is another, much more violent source of heat. When moons orbit massive gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, they undergo an intense gravitational tug-of-war. This constant squeezing and stretching creates immense friction deep within their rocky interiors, a process known as tidal heating. Take Jupiter's moon, Europa, for example. When the Galileo spacecraft visited the Jovian system, it uncovered compelling evidence that beneath Europa's scarred, icy crust lies a massive, liquid water ocean. It's a dark, hidden sea, kept warm by the relentless gravitational wrestling match it endures with Jupiter. And Europa isn't alone in hiding these deep secrets. Let's travel a bit further out to Saturn's moon, Enceladus. Though it's a smaller world, it holds one of the most breathtaking and dynamic sights in the entire solar system. The Cassini spacecraft, during its incredible mission, witnessed spectacular ice geysers erupting right out of the moon's south pole. These plumes of water vapor and ice are blasted into space, actually feeding and replenishing the material in one of Saturn's beautiful planetary rings. Cassini even flew right through these plumes, sampling their chemistry and confirming the existence of a warm, salty subsurface ocean hiding just beneath the frozen exterior. The energetic upwellings in this ocean press against the ice from below, creating faults and driving these majestic cryovolcanic eruptions. But the solar system's hidden seas aren't just limited to the moons of gas giants. Even further out, in the freezing, dark expanse of the Kuiper Belt, lies our favorite dwarf planet, Pluto. During the famous New Horizons flyby, scientists found evidence that beneath Pluto's bold, heart-shaped nitrogen glacier, Sputnik Planitia, a subsurface liquid ocean of water likely exists. You might wonder how water stays liquid so incredibly far from the sun, where even nitrogen freezes solid. The answer, once again, is tidal heating. This time from the gentle gravitational tugs of Pluto's uniquely large moon, Charon, creating just enough friction within the mantle to keep the water from freezing completely solid. We've even found clues of ancient oceans slightly closer to home, on the dwarf planet Ceres in the asteroid belt. There, highly reflective mounds of magnesium salt residue point to a time when liquid water erupted onto its surface from a now-buried subterranean ocean. These hidden oceans completely challenge our perspective on life in the universe. If liquid water can persist in the freezing outer reaches of our solar system, warmed only by the groans of gravity, who knows what strange biology might be swimming in those pitch-black depths? The presence of these hidden seas has seismic implications, broadening the cohort of potentially habitable worlds far beyond our initial expectations to encompass even distant Kuiper Belt objects. The cosmos is vast, and its deepest secrets are still waiting to be uncovered. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the solar system's hidden seas, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us continue to unravel these cosmic mysteries together, and I'd love to hear which ocean world you'd want to send a submarine to first. And with that, I bid you good night. Orbiting Truths, signing out.